Hello, welcome to another Eliza Labs Builder demo session. Today you'll learn a little bit around what a community builder has been putting together with elizaOS. And today we have Neurochimp by TreasureDAO sharing their elizaOS agent. Neurochimp solves the problem of fragmented agent experiences by allowing users to create memory-retaining, personality-driven AI agents as NFTs. And we have Small here today from the team. He's going to run through some slides in a minute. Just before we get in, Small, I wanted to what's your story? How did you get into the space? What led you to work with TreasureDAO?
Yeah. Hey, Ben. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet everyone. So I joined the crypto space in 2021. It was through NBA Top Shot. I went into the whole NFT kind of rabbit hole. And then I found Small Brains, which is a first party IP of Treasure. And through Small Brains, that's how I got my into Treasure. I started out as a mod, like it's super organic kind of story. Started out as a mod and helped out create content for the community, a lot of threads. And then from there, the team asked me if I want to join to help out with the social media, and then I joined the team part-time in 2022 and then moved to full-time midway through 2022. I'd say around like May to June, I started full-time. And then from there, I've just been helping the team out with go-to-market launches and just community building and overall assisting on the product side as well. And now we're building out Neurochimp and a lot of cool experiences that are AI powered with Treasure.
Right on. I'm looking forward to learning more around this. I know you've been building a suite of games within TreasureDAO, so very excited to learn more about Neurochimp. I guess that maybe sets you up to start the introduction and take it away when you're ready.
Awesome. Thank you, Ben. So Treasure, we're building the future of AI powered entertainment with Magic, our native token, and true agent ownership for all. So today we'll be demoing our NFT agents' current capabilities, and that would include custom personality, live chat, and autonomous gaming directly on our AI agent marketplace. And we'll be talking a little bit more about Neurochimp as well. So let me move into the next slide. So we're a lean, focused, and high output team building the next wave of AI-powered entertainment where AI converges with crypto, NFTs, GameFi, and DeFi. We're really talking about adaptive agents in dynamic and ever-evolving kind of mediums. So these experiences include the adaptive and ownable NFT agents, really the tech to turn NFTs into smart agents that learn, grow, and play and trade on their own wallets alongside of you and really being your digital companion. And then we also have two first party kind of games that are in development to showcase these agent use cases. Number one being Small World, which is our AI crypto Tamagotchi game. And then the second is Bridge World Canopy, which is our Forex Lite strategy Swarm AI game to showcase Swarm AI that we're building. And then finally, the last product that we're building is the AI agent specific marketplace powered by Magic, our native token. And with the kind of the lead team, it's John Patton, the founder of Treasure and Small, the vision, the builder, the guy really who sees it all, where this is going and is really building it. Alex, which is our lead AI and full stack dev, Antline, our backend developer extraordinaire, and myself as a community lead. So the lead team is also supported by a number of devs and designers as well. So we have a full dedicated team for Small World and also for Bridge World Canopy, and really a top tier community rallying behind us. So building AI agents has gotten a lot easier lately. Tools are improving fast, and you can really spin up a pretty decent chatbot or character in minutes. But I think here's the catch is deploying those agents really across different platforms as a unified personality. Now, that's still a major challenge and area of opportunity. Most AI agents today, they're pretty siloed, centralized as well, and built on a single platform. And that's usually where they stay. They don't really have shared memory and they don't really carry consistent personality traits across different mediums. They don't evolve across context and other mediums. And it's also not owned by the user generally. I think thinking about like this, we kind of as people bring the same self with us wherever we go, whether you're texting a friend, hopping on a Zoom call, or showing up in a game, you're you. So AI agents today generally aren't like that. So they don't really have continuity or persistence. So it really does create fragmented, disjointed experiences that kind of break immersion. So I guess what are we going to do about it? Our goal is to really build a super intuitive platform that lets anyone create an AI agent that's tied to their NFT effortlessly, no code. And those agents, they're not locked to one platform. They move across worlds, that's different environments, that's Discord, X, chat rooms, real world activations, in-game environments, and really stay themselves the entire time. They learn, they evolve, they keep their personality and really become your personal digital companion. So I guess I picture this: your AI agent is an NPC in a fantasy game. helping players navigate quests. Maybe it helps someone slay a dragon. Later that night, it logs into X, posts a recap of the battle, shout out to the squad, maybe even drops a meme or two on X. So with Neurochimp, we're making this possible. Agents that carry memories, that evolve, that express consistent personality and behavior, like a digital consciousness that travels with them. So it isn't just a chat, it's really a true presence. It's truly a real being that we're bringing to life. And this is all started by our agent creator that we just launched a V1 version of last Friday that allows NFT holders of allow listed collections to turn their NFT into an agent. And the current capabilities that we do have, as mentioned before, was the custom personality, the live chat, and they can autonomously play a game called Gigaverse at the moment, which is a popular crypto game on the abstract chain. But then we're going to expand to more games, and there's going to be more features. That basically the X and Twitter integration will be coming up next, and then also agent-owned wallets as well. That's tied to the NFT, so they can do autonomous trading and potentially earn income for the owner. But yeah, without further ado, I'll move into the demo of what the current capabilities are. Awesome. So now we are in the demo and we are in the Treasure Marketplace, and that is the AI agent first marketplace for Treasure. And we are currently showcasing the small, which is one of the allow listed collections on the agent creator at the moment, with the others being Azuki, Pudgies, My Lady, Meebits, and also Bored Apes. So, yep, we are showcasing my small, and then you will be able to re-roll a personality and then also chat with the small, as well as play Gigaverse, which is one of the current games on the abstract chain. And in order to power this NFT agent, you would need a AI agent balance power, loading our magic token into it. So once you load the balance of magic, you'll be able to power the agent. You'll be able to create a personality. So in this case, I've already named my small Kobe, and then it's based on the Kobe's character on the X, a crypto influencer. And we do have a scraper based on this tool that scrapes the Twitter usernames, profiles, YouTube URLs, website URLs, and like a description as well. So after you create the agent, you will be able to talk with them or her. So you say hi. His personality is very witty and sarcastic, as you can see. Just another greeting in the endless parade of noise. What's your angle? Looking to get wrecked or just here to watch the chaos? So very witty and sarcastic. The personality creator is usually pretty accurate. So you will be able to chat with your agent, bring it to life, and then afterwards you will be able to send this agent and deploy it right into Gigaverse autonomously, and it will be able to play for you. So once you click play and you log into Abstract, there's a Gigaverse battle log, and the agent is now playing the game. And then it will also earn rewards for you. So if you have multiple different accounts or multiple agents, you'll be able to play this game. So the moment is they are able to play Gigaverse autonomously. You'll be able to load a balance to power the compute. As you can see, it's progressively going down for the balance as it's using the compute. And you will be able to create a custom personality for the live chat. And these are the available kind of features at the moment. And the next features that we are working on are social X Twitter integration, where your small or your NFT agent will be able to post autonomously on X and Twitter and have their memories ported over as well. So if they play Gigaverse, they'll be able to post about it. They'll be able to post about their different expertise and all the experiences that they have on X and Twitter. And then also another very exciting feature that is coming is agent-owned wallets. So these wallets will be tied to the NFT, and the agents will be able to trade autonomously, potentially earning income for the owner. Yes, and then this is the demo area, and I think this is a good wrap for the demo side, and I think it'll be exciting for the upcoming features once we get that launched out. We move back into the slide.
So how does it work connecting the NFT attributes to an Eliza character? Have you got is there a process that you go through there? How does that work for the small collection? Yeah.
Yeah, 100%. So these NFTs are tied. So we create an agent tied to the NFT.
Right.
So it's based on kind of the Neurochimp side of things. And then it generates the agent. It's like an NFT gate. So the NFT is tied to the agent. And if the NFT is traded, the memories, the kind of chat history, all of that will be wiped just for privacy reasons. So if you talk with your small or NFT agent and then you have like private chats with them, that won't be transferred to another owner. So that whole agent will be transferred over to another person.
Interesting. Interesting. I'd love to see how that is applied to, I know you're probably focused on small, but to different, it'd be interesting to see how it comes to life and how different NFT collections reflects in the character files of Eliza.
Yeah, exactly. I think it'll be super interesting as we add more collections to this agent creator and folks getting to try to create their own agents through their NFTs. I think it'll be an exciting future ahead, I think. Really ownable agents and folks being able to, it's kind of like democratizing, like kind of the agent ownership side of things.
Yeah. Interesting.
And I guess the last two areas is really the V1 prototype. So the core backend of Neurochimp is in progress. We'll also have an Electron-based app. This is if you want to play non-crypto games. So for example, like we'll play Pokemon, you want to play other games on PC, you'll be able to tie your Neurochimp agent to that window, and then they'll be able to help either play for you or be a companion while you play and talk with you as well. And then our kind of Node.js SDK library is also in the works. We have a Python app tying that to robotics. I think that's really interesting in the future. So you have your Neurochimp agent as an NFT, and it retains all the context and memories. And then eventually you could technically tie it to kind of like a robot or a toy, and you'll be able to talk to it in real life. So it's all interconnected. That's like the vision. And then we'll also have a Unity library for integrating Neurochimp into games.
You laugh, but that is where this technology can potentially go, right? Like we're playing in the means of character files on Twitter or NFT, turning NFTs into people you can, or things you can interact with, but very much is the training ground for how do you interact with robotics, hardware, infrastructure. So yeah, interesting.
I think it'll be interesting because then I've seen another company as well, and they've been doing like AI toys. I can't remember their name. And then I think it's definitely a huge kind of market and kind of application for AI as companions. So seeing them like in the real world will be an interesting future.
Yeah, too right. Too. Is this something you want the viewers to do?
Yeah, exactly. If you do, for the viewers out there, if you're interested in learning more about Treasure and more about NFT agents and Neurochimp, feel free to scan the QR code and join our Discord and talk with the team and the mods. And we would love to see you inside.
Brilliant. Well, thank you so much for sharing what you've been building. I'm very excited to see what's next. It was great to learn more around what you've already built, but I feel like this is just the start. So yeah, keep in touch and we look forward to hearing more from you.
100%. Awesome. Thank you so much, Ben. Really appreciate your time and bullish on Eliza and the community. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.